In this video lecture, I will explain a problem on MACCON. An aircraft is flying at an altitude of 3000 meters with 2000 km per hour. It passes directly over the head of the observer. Find the time taken by the observer to hear the supersonic boom after passing over the head of the observer. This is the problem. Let This is the observer. Let A be the observer. B is a point directly over the head of the observer. This is the path of the flight. The flight is moving horizontally. Let the current position of the flight be S. Our question is, after what time the observer can feel the sound wave after passing the point B? B is a point which is directly over the head of the observer. After crossing the point B, how much time it will take to hear the supersonic boom? That is the question. So the flight is moving horizontally. At a time t equal to 0, let O is the position of the flight. With t seconds, the flight travels a distance of, c into t, where c is the flight velocity. The observer at the point A can feel the sound wave which produced by the flight when it was at the point O. In other words, the sound wave produced by the flight when it was at the point O will reach to the observer with a time t seconds. That is AO equal to AT. AO equal to AT. With time t seconds, the distance traveled by the flight equal to c into t. In other words, since the flight is moving at since flight is moving at supersonic speed, observer can feel the sound wave once he come under the purview of MACCON. Here the MACCON is, it is clear that here the MACCON is SAO. Mach angle is this angle and it is alpha. So A can experience the sound wave once he come under the purview of the MACCON. Here the Mach angle is Mach angle is alpha and the triangle is or cone is SAO. Now sine alpha equal to 1 by m, which is equal to 1 divided by Mach number m equal to c by a, which is equal to a by c. It is given that the altitude is 3000 meters. That is AB equal to AB equal to 3000 meters. AB 3000 meters. From data book, corresponding to AB or altitude corresponding to the altitude 3000 meters, the sound velocity A equal to 327 328.7 meter per second. You take the value of gamma equal to 1.4, then A equal to 328.7 meter per second. c is the flight velocity. It is given as 2000 kilometer per hour, that is 2000 into 5 by 18, 2000 into 5 by 18, which is 555.5 meter per second. So you can calculate the alpha. Mach angle alpha works out to be 36.27 degree. Mach angle alpha works out to be 36.27 degree. Now you take the triangle SAB, triangle SAB. In triangle SAB, alpha is not, AB is not, alpha is not, AB is also not. Then you can calculate BS. BS can be calculated. BS equal to the BS, you can calculate BS as 4088 meters. What is BS? It is the BS is the distance traveled by the flight from the point B to S. The point B is directly over the head of the observer. So distance traveled by the SB represents, or BS represents, distance traveled by the flight. Distance traveled by the flight after the point B, or BS equal to, BS you can calculate it. What is BS? BS equal to the flight velocity C into time taken. Flight velocity T is C into time taken. So let us see how it is. Flight velocity C into time taken equal to 4088. Here we know the value of C. So time taken to travel, time taken to travel BS equal to 4088 divided by C. C equal to 555.55. So which works out to be 7.35 seconds. That is, the observer which is standing just below the point B can feel the sound wave after 7.35 seconds, after 3.5 seconds. B എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോയിന്റ് ഈ ഫ്ലൈറ്റ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷം 7.35 seconds കഴിയുമ്പോൾ A can feel the sound wave.